Okay, so it's another week. Hope's in the van there doing touch-ups, fixing my mistakes, and having fun. Hopefully.
It'll be something.
And the water, I just tested it. I had to change this one out to this one because I wasn't getting a proper seal right here. So switched to this one with the exact same pipe, no leaks. So then we filled it up, turned the water on, and right there in that T-junction, the red T, we had leakage. So everything's tightened up and we have no leaks now. So the water is 100% done. And yeah, that's so far. Welcome back to the channel. This video is going to be slightly different. I've never done one of these before, really. We bought something a couple years ago called the Karcher. This thing has been absolutely amazing. Now this cost us like 75 bucks 2 years ago. So big chunk of change, really. But it's been fantastic at cleaning the windows, getting all the moisture off the windows, and even cleaning the solar panels. Brilliant. But we found something a couple of days ago when we were out shopping at Aldi, and it cost $19. And it's basically the exact same thing. So I'm going to do an unboxing of this rechargeable electric window vacuum cleaner. That's what they call it. Now, like I was saying before, I got tongue-tied there and couldn't spit my words out. This was 75 bucks 2 years ago. We've used it almost every day we were in the van traveling, getting all the moisture off the windows and stuff, and it has been brilliant. The slight drawback is this plastic tank here. It's got this one clip on this side. This one broke off. So now it sometimes spits water instead of sucking it up. So 75 bucks. Amazing piece of gear. So let's take a look at this this new one. So this is the one we picked up at Aldi for $19. Not even going to go into how to pronounce the name. I don't want to bastardize that. But it's got more features than this one does. Okay. I don't know if you can see on it right there, but you can actually spray water out of it. So for cleaning the solar panels, this is going to be 10 times better than the Karcher. So let's get into it. Let's see what's inside this box. I'm looking forward to it. Okay, let's see what's inside this thing. Must be the scraper and sucker up part. Check that out. Let's get everything out first. How's that? Okay, so by the looks of it, we have the charging cable, which is modern, type C. We've got two cleaning pads, which I'm going to go on this Velcro right here. We have this contraption. Oh, okay. That's pretty cool. We'll see how this works later. We have the actual machine itself, which is the same build quality as the Karcher. So that's pretty good. And it comes with the manual. Okay, this only goes on one way because it's got this little clip at the bottom right here. So just slides in, and that is on. So that's pretty good. We'll see how it works in a minute. Okay, so I just put everything together on it, okay? So this here, you fill with water. You can even put some Windex or something in it if you wanted. And by pushing this button, it will spray out of that little nipple right there. And when you put it in regular suction mode, the moisture gets trapped in here and ends up in this bottle down here. Now, see if I can do it one-handed. Should be able to. That is the capture bottle for the water. So, holds a whole bunch. So that's pretty cool. So let's see how this thing works. I see in action. We'll clean this window right here, and we'll clean a solar panel. See how good. Okay, so this is cleaning the side window with the new rechargeable electric window vacuum cleaner. That's a mouthful. And started off with spraying it with the spray nozzle, and then using the vacuum to suck up the moisture off the window. This is me explaining that I'm going to use the cloth on it and demonstrating how it's got two little supports that you fold out so it doesn't fold back on itself while you're using it. And it actually works really good. Really good. Solar panels haven't been cleaned in a good 6 months, so this was a good test for the new Karcher, we'll call it. Really happy with how it performed when I cleaned it. I was using the cloth, and then I'll switch over to just using the fluid and the vacuum part of it. With the actual Karcher, it comes in 3 separate pieces. You actually got the Karcher itself for sucking up the fluids, but the kit comes with the squirt bottle, the cloth, and the cleaning solution. So it takes up way more space in the vehicle than just having the all-in-one of the new piece. Hard to say what does better. Because the Karcher is a brilliant piece of gear. Okay, so the Karcher's catchment bottle is way bigger than the new one, but they've both got different style, I want to say funnels basically, so you can hold it upside down. This is more like a periscope, the water goes in there, whereas the new one, it's got this little flapper system on a spring, so that's pretty good. On the box it says this one will last up to 40 minutes once it's fully charged, so I don't know how long that's going to be in runtime, because the Karcher, we charged it 2 years ago and it's still got power in it and we still use it, so yeah. Ain't that right, babe?
Yes, it is.
So yeah, this is gonna be good for the van. That was from the solar panels, all that dirt. Okay, so that was the end of this week's video, guys, and a little bit different than usual. Hope's still in there
Painting black now.
doing touch-ups on touch-ups, and like I said, a little bit different video. We usually don't do stuff like that, but something different for you. Hope you enjoy it, and like and subscribe. If you got any questions, just leave it at the bottom of the video for us.
Love ya.
See you guys.
See ya.